My dear friends, today we will discuss the question related to the coronavirus, or I can say the COVID-19. I have prepared some questions from the internet, so let's discuss all those questions. What is coronavirus? It is a large family of viruses and it belongs to the family of nidovirus. Name a clinical trial in which blood is transfused from recovered COVID-19 patient to the coronavirus patient who is in critical condition. Answer is plasma therapy. What is the name given to the disease caused by the coronavirus spread in Wuhan? The answer is COVID-19. What is the name given by scientists to coronavirus before Wuhan? So name was SARS-CoV-2. So SARS is severe acute respiratory syndrome. Who declared COVID-19 an epidemic? Answer is WHO, World Health Organization. In which state full curfew has been imposed? Punjab. On which date Janta curfew imposed due to lockdown? 22nd March 2020. Which state became the first state to lockdown due to coronavirus? Rajasthan. COVID-19 affect which part of the human body? Lungs. What is the name of the test of the coronavirus? RT-PCR. Coronavirus started from Wuhan in China. It is located in which province of China? Hubei. What does VI stand in word COVID-19? So VI stand for the virus. Which state became the first state to declare coronavirus an epidemic? Haryana. How much aid India has announced in SARS COVID-19 emergency fund? $10 million. And the full form of SARC is South Asia Association for Regional Cooperation. Social app Instagram has launched which feature to make its user aware of the coronavirus? Instagram feed. What feature WhatsApp has launched in India to make you aware of the coronavirus? WhatsApp chatbot. What new feature Facebook has launched in India to make aware of the coronavirus? Coronavirus Information Center. What new website has Google launched to make you aware of the coronavirus? google.com/covid19. Which app has been launched by Punjab to make you aware of coronavirus? Goa Punjab. What does the structure of the coronavirus look like? Crown. From where coronavirus got its name? Due to its corona-like, crown-like projection. Coronavirus is related to which disease? It related to the two diseases that are SARS and the MERS. SARS, I told you, severe acute respiratory syndrome. It spread cats to human beings, and the MERS, Middle East respiratory syndrome, camels to human beings. When coronavirus first identified? 1960. What was the name of the coronavirus temporarily? It was 2019 nCoV. It was a temporary name, but after that it was changed to COVID-19. In which language coronavirus originated? Latin. A disease that can be transmitted to human from animal is called zoonotic. ऐसी डिसीज जो एनिमल से ह्यूमन बीइंग में आती है, जैसे आपके कोरोना वायरस है, तो इसको जूनोटिक बोलते हैं. Which medicine India exported to America? Hydroxychloroquine. What is the toll-free number? Toll-free number is 1075, where we can call and get all the information related to the COVID-19. And also center has launched an app that is called the Arogya Setu app, in which center has instruct all the person to install that app in their mobile phone, where you have all the information, and you get the information when anybody infected with the virus come in contact with each other or come in contact with nearby places. Full form of ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. Who is Health Minister of Haryana? Anil Vij. Who is Health Minister in Center? Dr. Harshvardhan Singh. Total district in Haryana, which are divided in zones. So red zone we have two districts, one is Faridabad, other is Sonipat. In orange zone we have 18 districts, and in green zone we have two districts, Mahendragarh and the Rewari. What happened to a person suffering from COVID-19? Around 80% of the people will require no treatment as such and will recover on their own. Around 20%, a small proportion may need hospitalization. A very small proportion, basically suffering from chronic illness, may need admission in an intensive care unit. Thank you.